OnePlus's latest smartphone called OnePlus 13T is now official in China, with quiet, cool-looking design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus 13T features a tall 6.32-inch Full HD plus 8T LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is protected by crystal shield glass on the top, and it includes Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus 13T sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,260 mAh battery, with 80 watts super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Color OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 150.81 by 71.7 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus 13T has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in morning mist gray, heart-pounding pink, and cloudy ink black color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus 13T smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.